Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're gonna do an unboxing for Urban Southern. I have the box right here. This is a new product launch from them and I'm excited to show you my first impressions, and I'm also really interested in some of their other product launches they put out, so let's jump into it. I already cut open the box. Let's just see what's inside. All right, we're going to be reviewing the Everly wristlet wallet and the Urban Sling. And a special note to me, thank you girls. Thank you so much for collaborating with us again. So they did send me this bag to review, which I'm so grateful for. What a cool hobby I have. Oh my. Okay, this jumped out at me right away. So this is our first one we'll review. This is the Urban Sling. And I believe I got the color Cognac. Okay, let's see how this is coming in on camera. Oh my, this is really nice. Oh, that's very interesting. Look at these D-rings. They're on the sides. Normally you would see them right here and here. But the reason they are doing this is because it can be worn 3 different ways. I have it, I was looking at the photos on their website and people were wearing it crossbody around their waist, but then also in the fanny pack way where we're all wearing it like really close to our bodies. Are we calling that a certain thing? I really like that close wear. I do that with a handful of my bags. So let's go over the details. We have the logo name in the front here. Beautiful hardware, gold hardware. Maybe brass hardware, that's what I should call it. And there is a front pocket right here. Oh, that one's gonna be for your cell phone, I'm sure. And let's open it up. And here is the strap. Now the interior is unlined and it has no pockets. Can we catch any of the light? Which is okay with me. It's very roomy. Let's look at these dimensions. The Urban Sling is 7 in height, 9 in width, and 3 in depth. And that's a good depth for me. Here is the strap with an infinity loop. So there's no extra tail. Brass hardware. And these are the clips that they have. Love it. Chunky. I love that chunky look. And then I'll clip it on. I'm not sure what size this is. We'll see how it fits me. Oh, this leather's nice. I don't think I've gotten a color like this one yet. Isn't that pretty? Well, for sure it's a shoulder bag right now. I don't know if I can do the sling. That's the word I was looking for, sling. I'm gonna loosen it. Go. Did I do too much? I can make it a little tighter. Can you see? Oh, I like that. I even like this length because then I can access it a little better. You could wear it a little higher if you wanted. Let's see how it looks on the back when it's in this mode. Do you like? I think I like it. Well, I mean, I know I like it, but I want to play around with what setting I'm going to put this on. I know the strap length is 21 inches to 39 inches, so that's good to know. I like this boxy look, and it's very light. I don't feel bogged down, and the leather is soft day one, a little bit of structure, but I feel like it would for sure get loosened up. Can you see some of this detail? I just saw it in the light. Some of these wrinkles, love it. I have so many bags from Urban Southern. I was counting before I did this video, and the one bag I use the absolute most is their Legacy tote, and just it's been used rough through all our travel, and I have a video on that, but it is wearing so well. It is holding up all the hardware. It's immaculate. I mean, we really pack it up. We throw it around. I love the quality from Urban Southern. Let's do the next one. Everly Wristlet. It's a little guy. Hello. So this is in the color tan. I don't have any experience with this color yet. Here's our light. So the wristlet, Everly Wristlet comes with a wristlet. Here's this, just simple. Here's the hardware. Now, what is appealing about this is, for the way I live my life, my key fob's always in my purse, so I don't actually have to carry my key around. I use 2, maybe 3 credit cards and my ID. I don't have the big wallets anymore. I don't know, I jump from bag to bag to bag, and my bags are normally, you know, I go from small to big, so it's hard to just keep changing my wallet. So what I like about this is, let's look at the features. It has these credit card slots on this side. So we have 1, let's see my fingers right there, 2, and then at the top, oh, and then 3 right here. So 1, 2, 3. Love that. And there's already some give today, so I wonder if I could get a couple more in there. This snap is gonna open, and then you can put cash in here. So that's like your 4th pocket, or you could put more cards. I carry some cash, not a lot. Where I live, I don't need it. I don't have a Metro card or anything like that. And then here, there's no film, but this is great for your photo ID. Did I say I go with my driver's license? Yes, I always have that with me. So this profiling is different for me. It's very raw. Do you see this? Raw cut. It's not, no tucked finishing. But the color tan, I like it. Let's compare the colors really quick. So this was the cognac, and this is the tan. That helps us all. This wristlet, Everly Wristlet, comes in medium brown, tan, or black. And I know I'm jumping back, but this one the Urban Sling comes in more colors. Chestnut, Merlot, black, mocha, and cognac. This is cognac. I know we're kind of fighting the shadows here. I'm in my new laundry room. Doesn't it look so fancy? Okay. And then the other thing I wanted to mention before I move on from this one again was it retails for $125. There's a Labor Day sale right now, if you check it out. And then this one, the Everly Wristlet, retails for $58. And the dimensions are 4 inches by 3 1/4 by 1/2 in depth. I like this. I mean, would I use this with this wristlet? Maybe. I mean, that's how you go in and out of the store fast. I think that'd be nice too. I'm gonna jump into this and play around with these for the next couple days. You can check out more photos of my bags on Instagram, ThePerfectLeatherBag. And thank you for watching. Thank you, Urban Southern, for this opportunity. I'll see you guys later. Thanks.